Hello everyone, Happy New Year. This is Priyadarshini. I am going to talk about one of the cloud service model, that is software as a service, SaaS. There are three types of cloud service model: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. As a service translates to over the internet. So, SaaS is a third party application available over the internet with no physical connection to anyone's devices. For example, your email client is likely SaaS, Google Docs, and Microsoft Office 365. And contents. Introduction. SaaS is a software distribution model in which applications are hosted by a vendor or service provider and made available to customers over a network, typically the internet, not sold off because this software is licensed. Pay as you go, the charges based on the usage. Leading SaaS providers include Salesforce, Oracle, SAP, Intuit, and Microsoft. Business perspective: multi-tenant software architecture, low cost, fast investment, shared license. SaaS eliminates the expense of hardware maintenance, licensing, and installation. It can be cost effective. High manageability, free of deployment and support, cost effective, customization is easy, and customization is limited here. Characteristics of SaaS: easy customization. Users can easily customize applications to fit their business process without affecting the common infrastructure. Better access. Another great feature of SaaS is that the pay-as-you-go model provides fantastic flexibility and options because the software is hosted generally by a vendor. Changing your usage plan is easy. Additionally, web-based user allows subscribes to access the software easily from any location with internet capabilities and multi-tenant architecture. Here we have some SaaS providers: Salesforce, Microsoft Office 365, Adobe Creative Cloud, Google Docs, AWS, Dropbox, and Oracle. For example, Microsoft Office 365. Just imagine you have a small team of 50 people and you are doing some stock market research and everything. So you need to have all the email addresses. Obviously, you need to talk to clients. So where you get the email addresses? You really don't want to put server, install, email, everything, right? So you simply go for Office 365. You just go and directly say, I want 50 people email addresses. It will give you. No need to worry about any installation. They give you everything ready-made. SaaS is everywhere. We are all familiar with YouTube, Google Drive, Facebook. They are all the SaaS providers. Advantages: easy to use, scalability, saves cost. No need to install or run applications in your own data center. Moreover, you don't need specific installation, files, folders, and docs on your own computer because all data is stored in the cloud. Most SaaS applications do not require more than a web browser to run. Scalability. It also offers high scalability. It can be easily scaled up or down to meet consumer demand. Consumers do not need to worry about additional computing infrastructure to scale up. Saves cost. The pay-as-you-go pricing model of SaaS makes it affordable to small business and individuals. Drawbacks of SaaS: robustness. SaaS applications may not be able to provide the same level of functionality as traditional applications. This is partly due to current limitations of the web browser. Consider Google Docs and Microsoft Office. Most SaaS applications are intolerant to slow internet connection, and this can lead to erratic behavior. And by erratic behavior means it losing internet connections. Privacy. Lots of issues arise with sensitive data stored in the cloud. Some privacy questions include who has the access the data, what type of data can be saved on the cloud, who is viewing our data, modifying the data and redistributing our data with or without permission. There are many questions arised. Security. SaaS applications are prone to attack because everything is sent over the internet. Then data encryption and decryptions. Reliability. Although most SaaS applications are highly reliable, downtime is still inevitable and can be very expensive, like commercial SaaS software. The application, data, backups, everything are in the cloud, thus making it hard to recover from the server downtime. You don't physically own the code because they are in the cloud. Conclusion. The SaaS methodology is very mature and would play central to the future of computing. Happy learning. Thank you.